Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video, I want to talk about a program the unit has been sold over 1,000. So I thought I will do a quick review on that program and tell you if it's legitimate, if it's real, if it's something that's going to help you in your business. So we're going to look into this program. We're going to go into the sales page. We're going to go into the members area. We're going to see if the guy who's offering this product and service, is it legitimate? Is it real? Is it something that's going to help you build your business? Okay. So we're going to look into everything because this product has gone quite viral. Everyone is jumping on it. And it's something that's new, okay, in the marketplace. So he's basically teaching something absolutely new. So I thought I will purchase this program myself, go through it, give it a test drive and see what this is all about. Like I said, I only recommend and promote legitimate products, real products. I don't like time wasting, and I don't like someone else to waste my time, and I don't like to waste someone else's time. So whenever I will recommend a product, remember it will be one of the top notch product that will help you change your life. All right, so let's get into this. Now, before I dive into this video, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time, then make sure you smash the subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, click the share button, and give me a thumbs up. It will be appreciated. My channel is all about affiliate marketing, Clickbank, make money online, earn money from home, work from home opportunities, traffic generation, lead generation, and I have helped thousands of people make money online. I am the top 1% super affiliate in the industry, and I am a traffic expert. I have built a real solid income business, multiple income businesses, and I have crushed so many leaderboards. If you follow my training and take massive action, I 100% believe that your life will never be the same again, because I know it's proven, it's tested, and I have helped thousands and thousands of people make money online. Okay, so if you are ready, I have joined. Remember, when it comes to business, it's all about making the right move, making the smart move, learning how to take risk, which means investing in product, system, marketing, advertising, and traffic generation. Even though you don't know if you're going to get good results, but this is what business is all about. All the top billionaires out there did not become billionaires with a freebie mindset, looking for free stuff, looking for free products and free training. They all became billionaires by investing billions of dollars. So you need to learn how to invest and take that risk. Now, when it comes to taking risks, you will have to buy products to learn more. I still continue to buy products, even though I have been in this business for over 12 years, but still I continue to buy products and services just to learn more and more and more, and learn new techniques of making money online. So remember, you have to buy products. Now, it could be a low ticket product, it could be high ticket products. I buy high ticket products as well, products that cost $500, $1,000, $2,000. I have also purchased mentorship programs that cost me $10,000. Okay, so you have to take that risk and buy this if you want to move your business to the next level. If you're going to stay on the safe zone, in your comfort zone, and you're just going to say, I don't want to spend money, what about if it's a scam, if it's this, if it's that, I'm sorry, you're not going to make it, and you're never going to break through. So learn how to take the risk, learn how to believe in yourself, learn how to trust the process and the system, and learn how to invest in products and system, whether it's a good product. You know, when it comes to a good product, even if it's going to cost me $997, $1,000, $2,000, if it's a good product, and I believe that the product is going to deliver and do exactly as it's promising, and this is something that's going to change my life, I will not hesitate in purchasing that product, even though if that product is going to cost me $1,000 or $2,000. So this is the type of mindset you need to have. When you have this type of mindset, everything will change for you, and you're going to see a big, massive shift in your business. All right, so come out from that comfort zone, change your mindset, think like a millionaire, think like a businessman, think like a businesswoman, and learn how to take risk like real business owners. Buy products, buy systems, buy traffic generated. If you see a product that's very good, even if it's gonna cost you $1,000, $2,000, just buy it. Take that risk, because that product might be the turning shift in your life that will make you a millionaire and make you a successful entrepreneur. So let's get into this product. Okay, so the product is called Auto Lead Machine. All right, this is a product that's gone viral. Over 1,000 plus units have been sold and people are just jumping on it. Why people are jumping on it is because the guy who created this product is claiming that he is guaranteed to get you email subscribers on 100% autopilot every single day from day one, without having a website, social media, creating content, solo ads, SEO, videos, or posting. Okay, that's the claim he's making. Now you should know that everyone needs traffic. If you don't know how to get traffic, you're in a big disaster place, because traffic is the key to success. Traffic is the king in this business. And when it comes to traffic, most of it is just garbage out there. People are just getting fake traffic, bot clicks, they're not tracking. There's a big problem in the industry. But on top of that, when it comes to traffic, the best way to build a real solid income business is getting email subscribers, okay? Building a list. The top internet millionaires, they have a massive list out there, and because of that list, they are able to go out there and crush it online. Do you know that on Clickbank, the top internet millionaires who are making millions of dollars online, 90% of all those people are making money from a list. They have a list, so they are promoting products to their list, and that's how they are crushing it. Now you might be thinking, what do you mean by building a list? So I've already spoke about this, but let me just quickly go through this. Okay, so when it comes to lists, you need to have a landing page just like this. So people come, instead of you driving traffic to a sales page, you're going to drive traffic to a page just like this. Okay, so you're driving traffic to a page like this. People enter the email, they say, yes, I want my blueprint, and then they go to the product. You are building a list. This is what you call a list building. Now, this guy here who says, okay, that I am going to show you, is it real? So when you go across this product, he's teaching a brand new way to generate high quality buyer subscribers without website, social media, creating content, solo ads, SEO, videos, or posting. Is this real? Is this legitimate? We're going to look into this, okay? So I have purchased a product and I gave it a test drive, all right? So you could see here, this guy is actually not just telling you about this, but he's actually doing it as well. Look at this. He's built a list of 610 subscribers using the method that he's teaching, all right? Now, if you want to look into this sales page yourself, go through it, you can go to this website address that's popping up right on your screen. Open up a new browser, go to this website address, and you will be able to see this sales page yourself, and then decide whether you want to purchase this product or not. But keep watching before buying this product, because I'm going to show you the members area as well, and I'm going to show you what results did I get from this product. So you can see here that he's got a very long sales page. Okay, so you can see a very long sales page. Now let's just check into the claim that he's making. So I purchased this product and I went through the members area. Okay, so here's the members area. This is the whole members area. He's giving you a lot of training, a lot of cool stuff in this members area. And what is he doing? Okay, so what is this traffic all about? Okay, now normally what happens is, when you buy traffic, you have to pay for traffic, right? So just say you're going to buy traffic, you're going to buy 1,000 clicks. Okay, so you're going to buy 1,000 clicks. They're going to come to this page, and just say you have a 40% opt-in rate. So 400 people are going to subscribe to this page. Okay, so they're going to enter the email. They're going to say, yes, give me my free blueprint. Okay, that's what normally happens. What this auto lead machine guy is teaching you is skip the traffic. Skip the traffic part. So instead of you paying for traffic to get 1,000 clicks and then you get about 30%, 40% opt-in rate, why not pay directly to get subscribers? That's what he's teaching in this product. So he is giving an underground traffic network where you create a campaign which will only take you 5 minutes, okay? 5 minutes to do. You create this campaign, and instead of you getting traffic, you're getting direct subscribers, okay? So you're not paying for traffic, you're skipping the traffic part. That traffic network does the traffic heavy lifting for you. You're just getting directly subscribers. That's what this guy is teaching in this system and in this product, okay? So instead of you paying for traffic, you're paying directly for subscribers. Now, does it work? Of course it does, because I gave it a test drive, and check this out. In one of my autoresponder account, I am driving traffic using that underground traffic network that this guy is teaching, and I have built a list of 507 subscribers so far, and the campaign is still running for me. Okay? Now, here's the good part. You know, when you buy traffic to a page to get to this kind of lead magnet pages, you're paying anywhere from 50 cents to $1 per click to get traffic. Okay? So if you bought 1,000 clicks, you're going to spend anywhere from $500 to $1,000 to get that traffic. Then you're going to get an opt-in rate of 30%, 40% opt-in rate. If you have a good landing page, if you don't have a good landing page, or you bought traffic from a garbage person, your opt-in rate might be 5%, 10%. It's a big risk. What this guy is doing is teaching you and giving you access to an underground traffic network. Now, I can't reveal the traffic in this video, okay? Because this is something underground that is not fair for the product owner who created this whole product. So if I give you the whole traffic here on this video, then it's not fair for the product owner who made so much effort to create this product, to launch this product, and to share this information, which is his knowledge, okay? But he's sharing a traffic network where you're skipping the traffic part. You're skipping the testing part of your lead magnet page. If it's going to convert to 10%, 30%, you don't have to worry. You don't have to worry about the lead magnet page. You don't have to worry what's the conversion of your lead magnet page. You don't have to worry about traffic. Why? Because this traffic network does all the heavy lifting for you. You're paying directly for subscribers. The good news is that the leads and the subscribers that you're going to get is way cheaper than traffic. I just told you, if you buy traffic to this lead magnet page, you're going to pay anywhere from 50 cents to $1. I am getting subscribers for 30 cents. 30 cents per subscriber. Think about it. Think about it. $150 I have spent, approximately $150, $160 or $170, and I've received 5. I have received subscribers, hundreds of subscribers for just $100, 300 subscribers approximately. Think about it. Okay? High quality subscribers. High quality subscribers. Alright? Cheaper than traffic. That's what this guy is sharing. He's sharing an underground traffic network where you can skip the traffic part, paying for traffic. You can skip the lead magnet part where you have to test and see if it's going to work or not. You're just paying directly for the subscribers, and for each subscriber at this current moment, it depends on the niche you're targeting. It depends on your marketing. I'm targeting Make Money Online, and I'm paying 30 cents per subscriber. Now, all these subscribers is not from that underground traffic network. But I'm telling you, according to the statistic that I have, $100 means 300 subscribers. Think about it. For $100 worth of traffic, you're only going to get 40 subscribers here. 40. But with this network, for $100, you're getting up to 300 subscribers if you have a 30 cents per subscriber target. And that's what I'm targeting. Alright? Now you might be asking, wait, Are these subscribers very responsive? Do they open the email? Are you getting a good open rate? So let's look into that as well. All right. Let's go to tools. Let's go to email marketing. And let me show you some of my campaigns, my friend. Check this out. I ran an email campaign 2 days ago. Okay. No, not 2 days ago. 6-7 days ago. Look at this. 26% open rate. 2% click rate. Check this out, 26% open rate. That's unheard in the industry, my friend. So if you are interested in buying this, according to my conclusion to this product is, it's a very good product, very nice product. It's something that you can get and start buying quality subscribers very, very cheap, and skip the traffic part. Skip the testing part and optimizing part, and get direct subscribers very, very cheap, and start promoting different products online. So if you are interested in buying this product, link in the description box, link in the comment section box pinned, and also link popping up on the screen. Go to this website address, get access to the product, because they have already sold over 1,000 units. I don't know how long this product is going to be available, so you can get your hands on this product while it is still available. All right. In my opinion, it's one of the best products. It's a very good product where he's sharing extra training as well. He's not just giving you training on how to get the product, etc. He's sharing extra peaks, extra training about affiliate marketing, etc. So it's a very good product in my opinion, and you can get your hands on this product today very, very cheap, and you can start getting quality subscribers very, very cheap. So link popping up on the screen. Just go to this website address and you will be able to buy this product yourself. You can also check out the links in my description box below this video, and check out the link in my comment section box below this video.